Hi, today we will see how to install a Cloud Atom in your training account. Once you have logged into platform.boomi.com and you will be able to see this main page, click Manage, click Atom Management, add your first environment. Let's call this environment Test, Cloud, Save, and we are going to add a Cloud Atom. Click New, select Atom, select in the Cloud, Test Atom Cloud, and you can name this as Test Cloud Atom. Test Atom Cloud. So once you have created a new atom, you can either drag and drop that into the environment, or you can click the environment and attach the atom to the environment. So we have created a test cloud environment and we have attached the test atom cloud to that environment. Let's create a new environment for prod. Let's call it as prod cloud, and we'll create one more atom in the cloud. It's atom cloud. Let's call it as atom cloud, and again you can either, now we will move it to the environment and click OK. Yeah, now you have two environments, one is production, one is test, and you attached your cloud atoms to those environment. Thank you.